Looking as far as the sky, watching the cars go by, often makes me wonder what's in your mind.